Our final destination was Kaza, for which whole trip was changed. Starting from Giu village, the scenery changed drastically, lapped by snow-covered mountains, bubbling river and streams, picturesque barren landscape with scattered patches of green. I guess I had stopped hundreds of times to taste this land. Every turn I had taken and I found a new world. The road is good and bad at some points. You are going to travel a single narrow road, so drive carefully here. Kaza is situated along the Spiti River at the elevation of 3,650 meters above sea level and is the largest town and commercial center of Spiti Valley. On reaching Kaza, neither me nor Sharat stopped for any rest. I do not want to miss evening at Key Monastery. And this was the best evening I spent after almost 2 years. We had a talk with young monks here and played with them. It was a wonderful time spent. Key Monastery is almost 7 km from Kaza and it is established in 11th century. I stayed here for a night as I wanted to click this monastery with stars. Nights are extremely cold and temperature dropped to -degree. We both were literally shivering in open sky. Our next morning was quite late and the second site we opted to go was village Langza.
We are on the way to Langza. It's a very beautiful way. We found some snow. You can see.
This one is.
Ah!
The main attraction of this village is the big golden Buddha statue. It is built between 2002 and 2005. Population of this village is like in between 100 and 200 and all houses are built below the Buddha statue with prayer flags tied on them. Few of the houses have turned into homestays providing travelers with accommodation and food options. Langza is also called the fossil village, but we did not went in search of it as I wanted to see few more places as quickly as possible. You can also hike here to see 2 lakes. But I started my journey towards the highest village named Comic in Asia. It is at the height of 15,027 feet. The road is quite risky, so please have careful drive if you are coming by your own vehicle. There is a village monastery here which is also 500 years old. And then finally we also went to see Kibbur village. Kibbur is famous for its wildlife sanctuary. If you are lucky and want to hike in these barren lands, you may see snow leopard, Himalayan wolf, ibex, red fox and many such rare Himalayan species. There are many homestays here as well. Since we do not have much time left, we opted to see another site which was Chicham Bridge. Chicham Bridge is said to be the world's highest bridge from sea level at 4.037 meter. It connects Kibbur village to Chicham village.
to mention this
Guy.
this guy
Still
at
searching
Cheecham Bridge, still searching for the
Now everybody knew it.
the Churel of
Everybody knew that this is
Virana.
fake.
Actually, he took me to this bridge. I was not actually much interested to coming to this bridge. He said that maybe maybe somebody must be waiting for me there.
Nobody is waiting.
So that is all about my Spiti trip. I hope you guys liked the videos and information I shared with you. See you soon in my next trip. Until then, take care, have a wonderful time, keep clicking and keep tripping.